Reduce, reuse, recycle. These are the 3 words I learned as a kid to remember the importance of recycling. But did you know that nature also has its own way of recycling? That's right. Just like how we recycle cans, plastic, and bottles, nature has its own way of reusing and recycling materials to keep everything in balance. Hi there, my name is Liz and I'm a biologist at Temple University. Welcome to the topic page for recycling in nature, here on FunScienceSupport. We've included plenty of resources to help you teach or learn about the interesting world of recycling in our ecosystem. First, we have several readings, poems, and writing prompts that discuss exactly how nature recycles through decomposers like bacteria and fungi. Another topic explored in the readings is ecosystem services, such as provisioning services, regulating services, and cultural services. Afterward, there's a math activity about the length of time it takes for decomposition to occur. It incorporates a table and a graph to help practice reading and interpreting data. There are also 3 questions attached to the activity to test your understanding of the information provided from the table and graph. We have 2 videos from FunScienceDemos, our main YouTube channel, as well as 1 video from Nova that discusses what decomposers are and why they are so important to our environment. At the very end, there's a 10-question assessment on recycling, and the answers are always provided, so be sure to check your work after the assessment. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, Fun Science Support makes it so easy to bring science into your classroom.